There were three powerful individuals in terms of people's thinking in the region. And I'm talking about the region at the time of, BC, just, before Isa alayhi salam, just after him, without going way back into thousands of years. But there were three important individuals that we need to understand the culture. Number one was Dionysus. And Dionysus, you remember the Greek gods. The Greeks had many different gods. Okay? So Dionysius, his father was Zeus, right? And they considered him to be a god. And his mother was Semele, and she was a human being. This is, of course, their myth. And so he combined the so-called godlike characteristics with human characteristics. And he had a dual appeal. He was almost what you could call two-faced. He had one face for certain events. He had another face for other events. Okay? And under his thinking, he had morality, a set of laws were there in terms of how they function. But at the same time, on a personal level, he was extremely immoral. Now, you see this still happening today in European culture and American culture, where you find the person is the president or the prime minister and whatever. But if you look at their personal life, they're actually criminals or they're perverts. But yet, politically, they're the president or they're the prime minister. It's like a dual type of character. So Dionysius has got this type of personality. And within his cult, the people that directly were influenced by his thinking, they had free drinking of alcohol, free sex, ecstasy, love, all these types of things they were heavily involved in. And this was the cult of Dionysius. There was no special diet. You're free to eat whatever you want. No circumcision or anything like this. It was sort of a open type of society.